What's up, everybody? Check out this video and learn all about the latest and the greatest in home security automation technology. Check it out.
Technology in our homes is constantly evolving, keeping us more connected than ever before and enriching our lives with information, safety, and convenience. This is the IQ Panel. The IQ Panel opens up an entire world of possibility with smart, secure devices that work together in an ecosystem to provide intelligent notifications, enable voice control, allow access from anywhere on any platform, and enable exciting new features to enhance and enrich your life. Behind this elegant, intuitive touchscreen is a rock concert of wireless technology, all working together to connect you to the cloud and keep your home safe, energy efficient, and accessible. Security and life safety sensors are installed discreetly throughout your home, informing you as people come and go, letting you know when doors are left open so the thermostat can automatically adjust itself to save energy, and protecting you against dangers like fire, floods, carbon monoxide, and intrusion. These sensors utilize Power G, the latest in encrypted wireless technology with 4 times the range of legacy wireless sensors and powerful two-way encryption that automatically detects interference and adjusts to ensure you have the best signal with the longest battery life. If you already have a few security and life safety devices installed in your home, the IQ Panel can communicate with them without the need for extra devices like translators. Z-Wave technology connects smart home devices like door locks, garage openers, smart lighting, and thermostats to your system, making your life easier as you enter a room, eliminating keys, and saving energy when you're not there, and making sure you never leave the garage open. Your home knows when you've left with powerful geo services that detect your location and checks to make sure your doors are locked, your garage is closed, your security system is armed, and your home isn't wasting energy. And with Bluetooth touchless disarming, your IQ Panel knows when you've returned,
Bluetooth disarm,
automatically disarming your system, unlocking your door, and turning on the lights to greet you. With Live View, high-resolution cameras placed inside and outside are easily accessed from your mobile app or from the panel's 7-inch HD screen. And with Live Answer, you can answer the door safely, ensuring you never miss a package.
Hey, I got some cookies and wanted to bring them by.
Perfect, I'll let you in.
Powerful LTE and Wi-Fi dual-path connectivity keeps you connected around the clock with lightning-fast response time and intelligent redundancy to ensure your signals always go through. Software updates are delivered on a regular basis, enabling new and exciting features and adding compatibility for devices as they enter the market. Unlock the true potential of Amazon Echo or Google Home.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen lights.
With more than just shopping reminders or oven timers,
Alexa, turn the fireplace on.
but use voice to control the myriad of devices installed throughout your home.
Alexa, tell alarm.com to arm the security system.
Okay, arming your security system.
The connected smart home isn't a fantasy, it's a reality.